So it's 1:30 a.m. and I've ordered myself a burger, some fries, and an orange juice. But it's taking almost 30 minutes to come. I'm becoming impatient. But I ordered it almost an hour ago and it's still not arrived. I'm going to call. So, may I know how much time will my order take?
Yes.
Jesus Christ, I'm hungry.
Meanwhile,
Even Jetalal is hungry.
just then,
Hi, sir.
Peri peri masala fries and orange juice sir, without ice.
So it's 1:40 a.m. now, and this is what I had ordered: a chicken burger, some fries, and an orange juice. Let's dig in. There's cheese, a fried egg, chicken patty, onions, tomato, lettuce, pickles, mayonnaise. That's what the burger is. That's the orange juice. There is also peri peri fries, which I'll save for tomorrow. What should I try first? Calories. Who cares about calories? But I've been told the right way to eat a burger is by adding. You see, it's almost the size of my face. This smile wasn't there before I could order this burger. The fries. I guess fries can never go wrong. You can't stop eating them. The last item is this juice, and a 10 out of 10 for the presentation. If you can see, it's fresh orange juice. They just made it. I think they just plucked the oranges out of the tree and they made this juice. It's a bit sour, but okay. I think it balances the calories and the junk.
Stop it. Get some help.
This is honestly a perfect late night snack, or you can call it junk or whatever, but just look at the filling, guys. Should I eat it?
nay.
So this was my meal, late night snack. I did not entirely finish it because it's really late in the night and I'm trying to lose weight. So no,
Okay.
these fries, they're so tempting. enough. So this is what my meal looked like. Thanks for watching. That's about it. I am going off to bed. See you all in the next one.